Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an USB error on your computer saying there's not enough USB controller resources for this device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Go ahead and type in Device Manager into the start menu search. Best match should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and just left click on that one time to open up Device Manager here. Now you want to expand the Universal Serial Bus controllers at the bottom of this list by either double clicking on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Now you want to go right click on whatever your USB host controller is here. So whatever says host controller, you want to go ahead and right click on it and left click on uninstall device. You want to go through this list and then uninstall each one that says host controller. Would suggest restarting your computer once it's done, and it should automatically reinstall it since it should be already hooked up to your computer. If for some reason it's not, you want to hook it back up. Plug it in, make sure you have a good connection there, so perhaps something came loose within your computer case for all we know. So we're going to go uninstall all of the host controllers here, restart your computer, and it should automatically begin reinstalling them. So hopefully that would be a good troubleshoot for your issue here. So again, once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.